How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of earwax without using Q-tips. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training for me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So in this video, I will show you a few home remedies that you can use to get rid of earwax without using Q-tips. Q-tips are okay, but sometimes they can damage the ear canal and sometimes even push earwax farther into the ear. So what are some ways that we can get rid of it? Tip 1, combine hydrogen peroxide and water together and use an eardropper to get the solution. Once you have the hydrogen peroxide and water in the eardropper, put a few drops in your ear. Only a few drops are needed, and make sure you turn your head sideways and leave it like this for around 10 minutes. When you are done, turn your head the other way and let the earwax drain, you guys. So again, combine the hydrogen peroxide and the water together. Use a little eardropper, just a couple of drops. Leave on your head for 10 minutes, then turn the other way to allow it to drain out. Tip 2, have a warm shower, you guys, and allow some of the water to run into your ear. Warm water is very good for removing ear wax, you guys. Tilt your head to one side for 5 minutes and let the water soak into your ear. After the 5 minutes is up, tilt it the other way and then let the water drain out just like that. Tip 3 is use baking soda. Baking soda has been used for years to get rid of earwax. I recommend making a paste out of the baking soda and the water. You want 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 4 teaspoons of water. Mix it together and this will make a paste. Use an eardropper and tilt your head and put the paste in your ear. You only need a few drops of this as well. Wait a few minutes and then tilt your head to the opposite side and let it drain out. Tip 4 is earwax removal drops. There are special earwax removal drops that you can buy at the store, you guys, that are meant for earwax. You can buy them over the counter at your local drugstore or pharmacy. Just talk to your pharmacist there and ask which one that he recommends. I have tried these before and they really do work. Trust me on this, you guys. And again, I've had this problem before. All I've done is I use the stuff that the pharmacist recommend. Little eardrops works amazingly. So try those out too. They can help. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.